Okay, I'm cutting and trim my gown. Here we go. I just can I do that? Dili man mo stand. So then so on na ni 4 because it's too long. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. I remember ng turing nga naon niya once na mag-cut siya ang pilon and then keep trimming like that. That's how I trim. How lagi sinang turing mo kuan. Himuon ako ning headband. Ibangan. We'll see how it goes. Na straight man po do. So this is how you do it. Inday Marian, this is how I learned from your mama. Mag-atong gugo anak sa ilang bahay. Nga inigtindog din ang turing, pulihan dayon eh. Lingko dayon ko sa ilang makina. See, I got this one. It's so beautiful, my gown. I got this from Timo. Timo. Sige, tibasundan ako. And then I can use this for my hair. I'm gonna make I like it kay na beads so pretty. This just a Timo. Tanawag likod. Look at the back. It's so pretty. Okay guys, I'm gonna do my tahi. Magbikangkang sa kusa kay magtahi ko ani. So it will be done. Gonna go down. I have it ready last night when gikapoy na ko. I'm just gonna be kangkang diring the pita. Okay. I already set up last night the pink color.